How to fix AIXHost.exe? The application is exiting in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps in the methods. The first method is turn off recall. Click on search, type control, click on control panel, select uninstall a program, click on turn Windows features on or off. Here you can see recall. Uncheck the recall option and click on OK. Let the feature turn off. Close the control panel and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue is fixed and the recall is important for you, then you can again turn on recall. Click on search, select control panel, click on uninstall a program, select turn Windows features on or off, check the recall option and click on OK. The next method is remove Windows AI. Right click on Start, select Terminal Admin, click on Yes. Go to the video description. You will find this PowerShell command there. Copy the command and paste into the PowerShell. Hit enter. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, install if any pending Windows update is available. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any update is downloaded, restart your computer to install the update. The problem should be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.